guys, welcome back to our channel WebToTech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to log into Bitget Wallet account. To log into your Bitget Wallet account, first of all, you need to open the Bitget Wallet application on your phone. Once you open it, this will be the interface. Now, since we need to log in, you need to tap on Import Wallet option right here. Now you will have all these options to log in. You can log in through mnemonic or private key wallet, or you can log in through keyless wallet here. If you want to log in through mnemonic or private key wallet, tap on this option. Now you will be asked to enter your PIN code, and here you need to enter your mnemonic phrases or private key in order to log in. It can be 12 words or 24 words mnemonic phrases or private key that you need to enter in this box here. You can go through these reminders on the downside, and once you are done, you need to tap on confirm and you will be logged into your Bitget Wallet account. Similarly, if you want to log in through keyless wallet, then tap on the keyless wallet option. Now you will have options to log in through your email address or your Google account or your Telegram account. I'm going to log in through my email here. So enter your email address here that you have used to create your Bitget Wallet account. Once you are done, tap on confirm. Now it will send a 6-digit verification code to your email address. So what you need to do is to go to the mail app on your phone, then look for the new mail that you have received from Bitget Wallet. Tap on the mail and here you can see the code. Now remember or copy the code and then go back to the Bitget Wallet application and provide that code in here. Once you provide the code, it will be submitted automatically and you will be logged into your Bitget Wallet account. So this is how you can log into your Bitget Wallet account. I hope you guys like this video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel for more such videos, and thank you for watching.